Children, this is Supplementary 2, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. Here is an imaginary high school class depicted in a French postcard 1901 1910. So, this is an imaginary high school which was depicted right this. Okay, and here discuss what do you think have come true in the present century. Now share your views about the changes that you and your classmates expect in your classroom, in your school and classroom in about 20 to 50 years. So how and all you want changes in your classroom. Okay, and that they are asking, and discuss what do you think have come true in the present century. In this present century, what all have come true? We are staying at home and learning online classes. Okay, and right, read the story, and many scientific inventions are there. Technology has developed a lot. All right, so here read the story to find out how a student like Margie studies in the year 2157. So Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." So here this story is alive in the year 2157. Now we are in 2021. See how many years later the writer Isaac Asimov imagined the life in the year 2157. And here Margie even wrote in her diary. She had the habit of writing diary. So she wrote, "Tommy found a real book." It was very old book. Margie grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So Margie's grandfather told once he was a little boy, the stories were printed on paper. So we have that, right? We are learning in a book, the printed way. The words are printed in a paper. So we learned that. And they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. They are folded and many lines are here. You can see. It is visible for us. Many lines are there. And it was awfully, extremely funny to read words that stood instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, So the words, look at the screen. Are the words moving? No. The girl is talking about the life which we are living. Okay. And then when turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it at the first time. So first when you read this, it is there. After some time, if you read also, the words will be here only. That only she is telling. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess." So he is telling about Margie. When she come across a book, she will throw it away. Our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. So the technology had improved, and now Tommy and Margie, they are learning in this computer, in this machine. They are learning in the screen. On the screen, they have many words. If you look at the computer, what is going on? Are you able to understand? Like in that way only, she is learning. "Same with mine," said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So Tommy was 13 years old. She was 11. Margie was 11 years old, whereas Tommy was 13 years old. Tommy had seen more books than compared to Margie. Okay. And she said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house," he pointed out. pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. So, where did he get this book? In the attic of his house. What's it's about? So, what's the book about? It was about school. School! Margie was scornful. School! What's there to write about school? I hate school. So Margie was scornful. She was showing her contempt. She's showing her opposition for school. What is there to write school about school? I hate school. She hates school. Why? Because this is our school. This mission is our school. Nowadays, we have this mobile as our what is that, classroom or whatever it is we learn through this. At one stage we feel boring. If we go to school regularly, we enjoy, we see, we meet our teachers, we meet our co-friends, classmates, right? And we have a very happy moment there, right? But for Margie, this is her school, this is her teacher, so she feels contempt. Okay, that's only she told. I hate school. Margie always hated school, but not she hated it more than ever. More than ever, she hated school. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. So the mission has been giving again and again test after test, and she was writing the test worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So he is the county inspector. He was round little man. So he was round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. So he gave her Margie an apple. Then took the teacher apart. So teacher is under repair. So he is taking to repair this. Okay. And Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. But he knew how, all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So this mission, it asks questions, it conducts tests, all the what is that, everything will be input, right? The mission. So it will ask question, it will ask conduct test, homework it will give, right? And how she describes large, black, ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown, the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put her homework. So there is a slot here in that she has to insert her homework, and she always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So since she was 6 years, she is learning, and immediately mission, no, so she immediately it will correct the test papers and give. Okay, so with this I stop, and in the next period we shall continue, and please give a reading. Okay, hope you understood, children. Thank you.